Hello class, my name is Jeremiah. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. But before we do that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I get notified on my next video. So you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that each time I post my videos on my YouTube account, on my YouTube channel, you are going to be notified on it. Also do well to like my videos and share my videos to your friends in the internet. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment box on any videos, any of my videos you come across. It will help me to take my videos viral. Do well also to follow me on Instagram, follow me on my Facebook account, on my Facebook page, and also on my Instagram page. Also like each video you see that I post, and don't forget to draw a comment in the comment box. Do well also to share the videos to your friends in the internet, right? So let's go right ahead to solve this given question. It's a question in mathematics. It says, show that 1 plus tan square alpha, which multiply 1 minus sine square alpha, we need to prove that is equal to 1, right? So it's a question in identity. I'm going to show you step by step on how to solve this given question. What I'm going to do is that we're going to use left hand side to prove the right hand side. We need to use the left hand side to prove the right hand side. This is the left hand side, right? We need to prove it that's equal to 1. So we have, let's make it that we have what? 1 plus tan square alpha in bracket, and you multiply what? 1 minus sine square alpha. So what you need to understand is that in identity, because we are solving question of identity now, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square, okay, sec square alpha minus 1 is equal to what? Tan square alpha. So that implies that sec square alpha is equal to tan square alpha plus 1. Because when minus 1 plus equal sign, it becomes what? Positive, right? So what next we have? We are going to replace, instead of this, because this one, look at it carefully, this one is the same thing as what? This, right? So now instead of this, we are going to replace it with what? Sec square alpha. So we have what? Similarly, we have what? Sec square alpha multiplied by what? 1 minus sec square alpha in bracket 1 minus sine square alpha. Have you seen that now? So having seen that, in identity also, sec alpha is equal to what? 1 all over cos alpha. That implies that, or similarly, sec square alpha is equal to what? 1 all over cos square alpha, right? When you square both sides, you're going to get this. Are you getting me? Now let's solve it further. Similarly, what do we have? Instead of this, we are replacing it with 1 all over cos square alpha. Are you getting me? So we have what? Instead of sec square alpha, we are going to what? Replace it with 1 all over cos square alpha. Instead of sec square alpha, we are going to replace it with what? 1 all over cos square alpha. So we have what? 1 all over cos square alpha. Similarly, we have 1 all over cos square alpha. It multiplies this, right? We have 1 minus sine square alpha. Also in identity, 1 minus sine square alpha is equal to what? Cos square alpha. 1 minus sine square alpha is equal to what? Cos square alpha. Now, instead of this 1 minus sine square alpha, we are going to replace it with what? Cos square alpha. So we have what? Similarly, we have 1 all over cos square alpha. Instead of this, we are going to have what? cos square alpha. Are you getting me? Cos square alpha is going to what? Cancel cos square alpha. So everything is what? Equal to 1. So this is what now? This is the left hand side. We have proved the left hand side is equal to 1. And also here, the right hand side is also what? Equal to 1. So the left hand side is equal to what? The right hand side. LHS equals to what? RHS. So we have done what? We have proved it. So this is the final answer to this given problem. See you in my next tutorials.